another topic, that is acids and bases. So guys, as you can see in this picture, there are many items. Can you distinguish between them? You might think they all are similar items, but in this video we are going to learn the differences between some of these. So we are going to learn about acids and bases. Acids are mainly a substance that donates protons in the Bronsted-Lowry definition, or accepts a pair of valence electrons to form a bond. Here valence electrons means that the electrons which are on the outermost shell of an atom, and this is in the Lewis definition. So what are the characteristics of acid? They taste sour. Please don't taste most of them, because the inorganic acids are not good to taste, and strong acids are very corrosive. So one of their main characteristic is they taste sour, and they are corrosive in nature, and they can corrode metals. They are very corrosive in nature. In fact, your stomach also digests the food with one of the strong acids, and it reacts with metals to produce gaseous hydrogen. So as I said, the acids have corrosive properties, so it can react metals and it produces hydrogen gas. Acids are soluble in water. Acids are also soluble in water. Some examples are lactic acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. So as we have saw in the picture, the Coca-Cola, battery, vinegar, lemon, milk, eggs and tomatoes, these all are the things which are the examples of common household acids. Some of them are not too corrosive, like tomatoes, lemons and vinegar, but like the ones in the battery are corrosive. And now we are going to learn about base. What is a base? So a base is a substance that can accept protons or donate a pair of valence electrons to form a bond. Here also valence electrons means the electrons that are on the outermost shell of the atom, and which are capable to form a bond or go to another atom. So it is a substance that can accept proton. It is obviously it is a opposite in chemical for acids. So bases are the chemical opposite of acids. It also has certain characteristics. Let's see them. It tastes very bitter, and it feels soapy when touched. But here also some of them are corrosive, but only strong bases are corrosive. So bases can be thought of as the chemical opposite of acids. Some of the examples are sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. And the examples of the bases in household is soaps, which is mild base, baking soda used in kitchens, and ammonia, as we all know. So for testing whether acids or whether the bases are bases or acids, suppose you in a test tube you have some other thing that can be acid or basic. So how can we test that whether they are acidic or basic in nature? For that we have indicators. An indicator is a substance that is used to decide whether a compound is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Here you can see this is litmus. Litmus is obtained from lichens, which is a combination of algae and fungi, and it is converted into paper form, and it can be used to check whether a substance is acidic or basic. The red litmus turns blue when poured in a basic solution, and the blue litmus turns red when poured in a acidic solution. And turmeric is also used. The turmeric solution along with water is also used as an indicator. And we also have the pH scale. The pH scale measures the either the more the acidity or the more basicness of a object. Like, and we can see the most acidic here is hydrochloric acid, and the substances which are acidic ranges from pH 0 to pH 7. pH 7 is a neutral, which is neither acidic or neither basic, it's in between. And from 8 to 14 we have all the basic substances, and you are given with the example of each. So hope friends you like the video. Do comment me if you want more, and see you soon.